Hi guys, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Welcome to my channel. Yesterday, I sent a newsletter out, and it is about our pre-Black Fridays bundle. So I finished the 8 brand new background stamps, and I put them in a special bundle. Get all 8 background stamp only for $69.99 plus free shipping to US and Canada. So this pre-Black Friday bundle sale is going to end in November 17th. And then we are going to start our Black Friday sales. So it's going to be 30% off, and the plus free shipping on order over $75 before discount. So with the discount, you will get a free shipping with the total around the $55. It is getting so expensive, the shipping cost. That's what's the best I can do. So today, I am going to share with you guys a quick card making by using the silent breakaway and one of my old stamp set. So today is November 11th. I still have 6 days, and I'm going to try to use all the new background stamp to create a card to share with you guys how to use those wonderful background stamp. So if you like to purchase these pre-Black Friday bundles, $69.99, that's the best deal. If you don't want to get a whole set and only want to get a one or two, just wait until November 18th. So that's 30% off, and the free shipping on the order over $75 before the discount. So that's started, and just make sure you check the link below, and you can find all the information, and then all 8 different background stamps. So that's started. Okay, so I'm going to use this silent breakaway background stamp. So this is just one of a very simple card to share with you how to use it. The stamp itself is already awesome, so you just have to put color, ink it, and the stamp is going to look awesome. And later on, I'm going to use the same stamp and use different kind of technique to share with you guys the different way how to use this stamp. So this is the silent breakaway, and I'm going to use one of my other stamp set. I want to kind of create a relaxing card, and so this is one of the stamp set that I designed in 2011. Wow, that's 13 years ago. It's called the Lollygagging. So I'm going to use this steel and to create a relaxing steel card. Okay, so that's start. Okay, let's start with the background first. So you can just take a look at the package print and give you some idea. So this is a kind of like a floating ice. I got inspiration on our Alaska cruise. So I'm using the stamp positioner. If you have one, that's awesome. So that way you can get like a very nice solid image. And if you don't have it, just make sure that your impact is juicy. So I am using the VersaFine Clara. You can use any kind of impact. It will work just fine. So I'm going to just use 3 different color. Make sure you have a light, medium, dark. And then these VersaFine, they have 12 new colors. If you haven't got a chance to check it out, I think Marcos carry. I will put their website below, so you can take a look. If you like to add a few to your collection. I just love those impact. I think they are really good quality impact. Okay, you always start with a lighter color. That way you don't have to worry about the contaminate your impact. So the impact is for use, so don't really worry about it, just using. So light, medium, dark. Okay, and then I just do a little bit here. And then before we stamp it, I'm going to use one of my magic mushroom to make sure that I blending those 3 colors well, so that way they don't show the line. So just give a gently kind of tapping. You will have to use a sponge head. You cannot use the blending brushes because we want to blend in the color. Okay, so the color, the cardstock I use is just regular color cardstock. Is the I think it's probably 80 pounds. So let's just do that. Okay, that's the first ink, and then I kind of want to have a little bit more. You can see here, I still can see the color jump too fast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use one darker color. Okay, okay, just like that, and I'm going to use my magic marshal, kind of just softening the edges a little bit. So that's and actually that's put a little bit more, kind of accidentally remove a little bit too much. So just gently tap, tap, tap. Just kind of patting a little bit extra ink off. And there you go. I think that's a very, very, very nice blending. Ta-da! Okay, so that's my background. I'm going to clean here, and I'm going to moving to the seal. Okay, so it's going to be the A2 size cardstock. Okay, so it's A2 size. A lot of you guys probably know that I recently moved from the upper floor to the lower floor, and I still have a lot of stuff is missing. So I try to use what I have. Okay, and then what I can do is we're going to just use a cloth, kind of just wipe off some darker color from your magic marshal, and then we can use one of the color, just give a little bit shading. Okay, only if you want to. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, and then so that's the card. Okay, and then for the seal, we are going to use this seal. So what I do is I usually kind of just stamp few of them. And then this one is our early design 2011, which it doesn't have the matching die cut. So what we're gonna do is you are going to just use the original tool, scissors, to trimming it. Okay, so I did a few it's not really hard, the shape is not really complicated. So what I did, I stamped it, but when I trimming it, I kind of lose those little stone. Okay, so that's my seal. And then for the eyes, they also come with a two-piece eyes. So what I did is already stamping the eyes here. I just show you this one because we don't have the matching die cut, right? But it's totally manageable to trimming it. So the trick is when you cut it, okay, so just follow the angle here, okay, one angle here, and then turning your paper. Okay, so just go straight. Go straight. Or if you have a digital die cut machine like Cut and Scan or the Cricut, you can use it too. So I think the digital is in the future, but it's not that hard, right? And then we're going to do one more, same thing. You're going to find that ankle first, and then just keep it straight. It looks like the die cut. Okay, just don't try to try to keep it straight cut, and then straight. Just a pair of very point sharp scissors. Before the die cut exists, we all using pair of scissors to do our car, right? So now we can still do it. Okay, so now go back here to cut here. There you go. See, who can tell is cut with the scissors. Okay, and if you want to, you can use the magic mushroom, kind of soften the edge a little bit if you want to. Okay, that's it. And then here, a little corner, if that bothers you, we can still trim it. So that's my 2 pieces of eyes. I'm going to put all this one away. And then we are going to do the coloring for my seal. I think this is a very cute set. 2011, that's 13 years ago. Can you believe it? 13 years ago. Wow. Okay, so we are going to color our seals here, and you can use anything you like. So I'm actually using the alcohol markers. So let's grab some color here. I am going to just choose a few of the color here. Here, a little purple. It's not a very complicated 3 color. Maybe purple and a little bit darker. Just 3 color. 4, sorry. Okay, and then we're going to just color it. So I'm going to just start. It's so easy. Just color. I'm sure everybody know how to color. So like this. And the second color. Okay. And I don't really blending yet. Just give it a little bit shading. Okay. And like purple, I'm going to just give a little bit purple. Okay, I'm going to use that lightest color. Oops, wrong side. Okay, just color it in, and then I'm going to do a little bit pink around his nose area. That's it. That's my seal. And then I am going to use the magic mushroom, kind of just brush a little bit orange around the edge. And ta-da! That's the car. Okay, and then now we are going to just mount everything together. So I have my tape here. This one finish. Okay, I'm going to just tape here. And this one. Okay, and then we are going to just glue our floating ice here. So I have Have you got a chance to check the new collection, the new background stamp? If you did, leave me a comment below. Let me know which background stamp is your favorite set. So that's my floating ice. And then I'm going to put my seal on top. Isn't that cute? And then I have a sentiment here. So this is the time to relax is when you don't have time for it. So I think that's kind of fun. to do that. So I'm going to just do that. Okay. There you go. So it's something pretty simple, but I think it looks pretty awesome, isn't it? So this set I didn't I like I say I designed in 2011. If you take a look at Local Kings package, you can find the first letter is the year I designed. The S usually is spring. There is two. One is S, one is F. Spring, S stand for spring. I designed springtime, and then F is standing for fall. AM usually is like an animal, and so that's the set. If you are interested to purchase this set, just make sure you wait until November 18 because the whole store is going to be 30% off for Black Friday sales. But if you like to take advantage of our the pre-Black Friday bundle set, so now is a good time to order it. They are ready to go, so I will process your order in 2-3 days. So they are ready to ship, and I will definitely working on the another 7 background stamp to share with you guys how to use it. Those wonderful background stamp. So hoping you like this card. Let me leave me a comment. Let me know what do you think. I will put the link below and make sure you check it out. Thank you so much for watching. This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. See you next time. Bye guys.